TIACA outlines key global challenges shaping the future of the air cargo industry.
We understand this industry needs to have safety and security constantly at the heart of what we do, and therefore we encourage regulators to work with industry to make sure that the regulations they put in place protect the supply chain but are practical to implement and they don't stifle trade. We need the cargo to be able to be facilitated to move through the facilities as quickly as possible whilst maximizing the protection that can actually be afforded. So we rely on digital information to effectively assess the cargo prior to it coming through the system. So that's one area. Second, I think we have to look at the overall regulations we have globally with regards to liberalization. Air cargo is uniquely different from the passenger industry, and therefore we need to actually have global mechanisms and frameworks in place that will help facilitate the movement of cargo, because cargo is unidirectional. Passengers bidirectional, they go, they come back. So we need regulations in place and frameworks in place so that the owners of the aircraft assets can deploy them where the cargo demand is.
Industry experts outline key trends shaping logistics demand and future growth opportunities across global and regional markets.
What we're seeing post-COVID now is the revival of some industries, specifically consumer-related industries, where we've seen demand is still very high. We're seeing automobile industry also in the highest sales as well. We're seeing other commodities like steel and especially construction and manufacturing industries also progressing. Project logistics is something which we've seen in this part of the world, especially Middle East, because of so many investments coming in the infrastructure projects. We feel project logistics is one vertical which ATS has the capabilities to get in.
We see some oil industry business, particularly for West Africa. That's very stable. It has been stable for some while. Also, some government business. Again, aid and relief, but it's not necessarily relief. It's more aid. So that market is quite stable as well from this area. There is demand, particularly to Australia from Africa, a lot of perishable cargo, and it's increasing as well to Asian countries, particularly meat business. Some additional meat going now from South Africa and from Kenya into Asian countries.